We are working on a new homes construction community that incorporates Solar Roof on all the projects. Solar Roof is a photovoltaic system which have been modified into a aesthetic package. On average, the systems are about a 14 kilowatt system each on 10 homes, so roughly we've installed about 140 kilowatts altogether on these houses for this community.
Safety is utmost priority. We have exact guideline what is expected with anchor placement, figure 8 knots, everything that is necessary to make sure you do not fall off that roof.
We work straight business to business with our home builders, so we provide them a dedicated service and the ability to work alongside all of their other construction trades during the house build, so that when the home is complete, they've got a turnkey system for those homeowners when they take the keys to the home.
So it's important for a home to be less reliant on the grid for multiple reasons, whether it's short-term or long-term, you're saving money, but also things do happen, power goes out, whether it be storms, the customers aren't even gonna know if they lose power.
In addition to the Tesla Solar Roof, we also got Powerwall and Tesla Wall Connector. I definitely feel more secure knowing that we have power stored in the Powerwall, just in case there is any kind of outage. But I've also noticed that I've just become a lot more power aware, because since I can see how much we're using actively at any point during the day, it's also an opportunity for us to teach our children how to be energy conscious and kind of reduce our footprint on the planet.